Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
देश में आप लोगों को कुछ न कुछ देने की स्पर्धा चल रही है। कोई राज्य ये दे रहा है, कोई एसोसिएशन ये दे रहा है, कोई बिकना दे रहा है, कोई फलाना दे रहा है, और आप भी अब लेते लेते थक गए होंगे। लेकिन मैं देने के लिए नहीं, कुछ मांगने के लिए आपसे बात करना चाहता हूं। देंगे क्या? नहीं, आवाज नहीं आई। 2023 15 अगस्त, करीब करीब 2 साल आपके पास होंगे। क्या इस 2 साल में एक एक खिलाड़ी, यानी ऐसा नहीं पूरी हॉकी की टीम, ऐसा नहीं, हॉकी का सब खिलाड़ी, क्या कम से कम आपको जहां पसंद हो 75 स्कूल्स में आप विजिट कर सकते हैं? यानी एक एक प्लेयर स्कूल वाले बुलाएं तो अच्छी बात है, वरना आप खुद स्कूल वालों को कहिए कि मैं आपके बच्चों के साथ 1 घंटा मैं बिताना चाहता हूं।
प्रधानमंत्री मोदीन टोकियो ऑलिम्पिकात वांटो घेतिल्ल्या खेळगड्यांचो सप्टेंबरात भोवमान करतनाच मीट द चॅम्पियन्स मोहीम लॉन्च केल्ली। प्रत्येक ऑलिम्पियनान 75 हायस्कुलांक पोषक अन्नाचे महत्व शिकोवचे, तांचे अनुभव सांगचे म्हूण त्या वेळार ताणें उलो मारिल्लो। 15 ऑगस्ट 2023 मेरेन ही मोहीम चलपाची। प्रत्येक ऑलिम्पियन 75 हायस्कुलांक शिकयतात, मार्गदर्शन करतात। बांबोळे डॉक्टर के.बी. हेडगेवार हायस्कुलांत खेळ मंत्रालय आणि गोंयच्या शिक्षण खात्याच्या जोड पालवान ह्या मोहिमेखाला मीट द चॅम्पियन कार्यावळ जाली।
We have invited 75 different schools from the state for this function, and she will be interacting with students, and she will be speaking on importance of nutrition, because as a sports personality, nutrition is also very much important.
आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्विमर ऑलिम्पिकात वांटो घेतिल्ले मनाना पटेलान मार्गदर्शन केले। ह्या वेळार भुरग्यां खातीर क्विजूय दवरिल्ली। मनानान पोषक अन्ना विशीं म्हायती दिली। सोशल मिडियाचो प्रभाव वाडटा, मात भुरग्यांनी दुसरो कितें करता तें पळोवचे परस आपूण कितें करूंक जाय तें पळोवचें। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवायस कांय वेळ कुशीक दवरून अभ्यासाचेर लक्ष दिवचें म्हूण मनानाचो सल्लो।
You know, we live in the time of technology where social media is a very, very big distraction, and you know, our lives, you know, we don't pay attention to what we want, what we are doing, where we are, what are we supposed to do. We are constantly thinking about what is that other person doing, how many likes did I get on Instagram, how many followers do I have, oh my friends are going for a party, what am I supposed, we've forgotten how to live in the moment, you know. If there's something happening in front, we'll take out the cameras and we'll be like, oh, but we're not actually watching, and we're not actually enjoying or being in the moment, and that includes me as well, you know. All of us are going through the problem, and that is a serious one, you know. So I don't think there is any escaping from the era that we are living in right now, because social media is an integral part of our lives, but the way we want to use it depends on us. You know, if you're sitting in the classroom, if the teacher is teaching you something and you're just squirming on your seats all the time, not paying attention, that's not going to help you, right? All you need to do is, you know, calm down a little, take a deep breath, you know, get back to where you are. If you're sitting in the classroom, pay attention to what the teacher is saying. Yeah, let your thoughts flow, but then there's the time where you have to give a break to the thoughts, you know. You cannot just keep daydreaming all the time. And one thing that might help, you know, achieve this or get in control is meditation, you know.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस।